Ever wonder what's on the other side of that door? Let's find out. The curious kitten gently pawed at the door handle, eager to explore. Finally, the door swung open to reveal a vibrant garden full of wonders. The kitten gasped with joy, taking in the colorful flowers and buzzing bees. A friendly butterfly landed right on the kitten's nose. What a magical moment. The kitten ventured further, discovering a sparkling pond and shimmering water. A tiny fish swam near the surface, and the kitten tried to reach it with excitement. After a fun-filled adventure, the kitten snuggled under a sunflower for a peaceful nap. Liked this story? Follow for more adorable adventures.